Hawai'i alelai wailua Kia elai kalani ka papaugai o kawaiki Alai nai dong dong na o kaipa Kalau nama kau kapae Mai pancare o Ke oleh kaya mai
And to start the Pele legends, we know that Pele comes from Hawai'i. Hawai'i is the place that is not rooted in any one spot. It's a floating island. There's Hawaiians believe in 7 different heavens, and Hawai'i happens to be one of them. She comes by way of Ma Pola Pola because of a battle with her sister Moloka'i. Moloka'i is the goddess of water. Pele is the goddess of fire. Makes sense, they wouldn't get along, would it? And so this journey begins with Ma Pola Pola.
Ma Pola Pola ai kuai helani e ka holo ka pa. O honu ai ke kai po pola hua me akane. O kane huli honu me lana moku kai akala ho ye ho huai. Ike he o kane kuna motu. Apa I moku mana mana mai kala I kada kalua papa. E aku e mo helano te kanaka ho te kainoa e.
And so legend tells us when Pele arrives on the islands of Hawai'i, she goes from the northern island of Niihau and Kalehua, and she makes her way through these islands chains to the island of Hawai'i. There on the island of Hawai'i, she can finally rest. She makes her home at Halema'u crater, and one evening she looks at her sisters and she says, "Hey, somebody entertain me." There were 7 Hi'iaka sisters, all with the first name Hi'iaka, Kapoliopele, Hi'iaka Ena, and so on. Hi'iaka Kapoliopele, the youngest one, said, "I'll entertain you," as the oldest ones were afraid, because the Pele didn't approve. You know, she's a little hot-tempered. She burned you. And so Hi'iaka, being the favorite, Hi'iaka Kapoli, the favorite, said, "I have a friend named Hopoi that I learned to dance from. Let me share this dance with you, Ke Ha'alapuna."
Ai, e halapuna I kamatani. E halapuna.
E halapuna I kamakani, akaulu halai te ai. Aha ena me hopoe, akawai me oni kayo nanahu. Ulale avalehi kayo nanahu. Ulale avalehi kayo nanahu ki. Ihalapuna I kamakani, akaulu halai ke au. Aha ena me hopoe, akawai me oni kayo nanahu. Ulale avalehi kayo nanahu. Ulale avalehi kayo nanahu ki. Opuna taidua itahaua, paeta leio o ke kai. Hela ina pua lehua, nana oni kayo nanahu. Ulale avalehi kayo nanahu. Ulale avalehi kayo nanahu ki. Opuna taidua itahaua, paeta leio o ke kai. Hela ina pua lehua, nana oni kayo nanahu. Ulale avalehi kayo nanahu. Ulale avalehi kayo nanahu ki.
Hei no, Hi'iaka Kapoliopele.
Ai, hei no, Hi'iaka Kapoliopele.